How to create polls in WhatsApp. Polls are such an amazing feature, which I'm so glad that WhatsApp has incorporated in its interface as well. These are really helpful on Facebook, Instagram, and all other social media apps as well. So to create a poll, you're going to select that specific chat that you want to create a poll on, and then you're going to click on this media option right here. And there's an option right here at the left lower hand side of polls. You click on polls, you can ask a question. Let's just say, is everybody okay with 8 p.m. meeting tomorrow? The options could be yes, no, not sure. Super quick and super easy way to create a poll. Then you have the options to make settings for the polls. You can either add multiple votes or even look into the votes and see what people have voted on. So there's one way you can create polls in WhatsApp. Thank you so much for watching.